The sea cucumber, the deep sea's slimy superhero. So what is a sea cucumber? No, not this. Yes, this little guy is one. Meet the sea cucumber, one of the strangest and most underrated creatures of the deep sea. It might look like a squishy sausage, but this unassuming hero has superpowers that will blow your mind. What is a sea cucumber? Sea cucumbers are marine animals found in oceans all over the world, from shallow coral reefs to the deepest trenches. They're not plants or vegetables. They're echinoderms, cousins to starfish and sea urchins. The ocean's vacuum cleaner? Think of the sea cucumber as the ocean's vacuum cleaner. These slimy creatures recycle nutrients by eating sand, digesting organic matter, and then, well, pooping out clean sand. Without them, the ocean floor would be a lot messier. A glow-in-the-dark defender, but here's where it gets wild. Some sea cucumbers can glow in the dark to confuse predators. This bioluminescence is nature's very own light show, the ultimate survival trick. When threatened, sea cucumbers have an epic defense move. They eject their guts to scare off predators. Don't worry, they grow them back. Talk about extreme survival skills, essential to marine life. Sea cucumbers don't just clean up, they play a vital role in keeping marine ecosystems healthy. By breaking down organic material, they ensure nutrients get redistributed to the ocean floor. Loved by humans too. Believe it or not, sea cucumbers are a delicacy in some cultures. In fact, they're considered a superfood packed with nutrients. Fancy a bite? More than meets the eye. From their quirky survival tactics to their crucial role in the ecosystem, sea cucumbers are proof that even the weirdest creatures have an important purpose. Next time you think of the ocean, don't forget these slimy superheroes. Love the ocean. Like, share, and subscribe. If you think sea cucumbers are awesome, and they totally are, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more amazing deep sea adventures.